Quality and compliance impacts the work that we do here at Bristol-Myers Squibb because we're the last line of defense between the pipeline of drugs and the patients to ensure that they're receiving a safe and effective drug.
When I think of the work that we do as a group under the quality umbrella, it's so important because you think, what if it were my mom or my dad or my child that were to take one of our medications? You know, I would want to make sure that what they're putting into their body is absolutely 100% a quality material.
The quality team is passionate about quality. It's one thing that we value. We are always looking forward, how can we actually do it better?
We can't do anything without collaboration. It's essential. It's part of our day-to-day work.
We get involved hands-on by using the PBRGs and the community outreach. The very main goal of the PBRGs is to actually bolster an inclusive environment. With that, it allows me to actually work with people that I would have otherwise never worked with.
We need to work together as a team, as a group, in order to get a result out the door. We need to work together with various groups throughout the site and then throughout the global network as well.
Accountability and passion is very important in our core team, and that's something that we take pride of. If you're not passionate about it, you don't feel like there's value into it. So therefore, being accountable and passionate give us the way to actually move forward.
Candidates should consider working on our team for the opportunity that this group provides. The work that we do impacts patients. It's huge. Every day is a little bit of a challenge, but I leave here feeling like I've accomplished what I needed to accomplish for the day and that what I've done has really made a difference for somebody.